He the creator. He the creator. Hi guys, and today we're gonna rank some Eas alarms. Well, we're not gonna include these ones, right? So let's start.
Yeah, we're only gonna do United States to Bulgaria.
Yeah. So from here.
And
Anyways,
here.
if there's two or three of them in the same country, then we're just gonna put up the scariest one. Okay, so let's start. Okay.
Okay, I know.
First of all, USA.
Okay, I would rank that meh.
Yeah. Meh.
Next up, Canada.
Yeah, Canada. Ish. Maybe scary would be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, scary. No, Australia. Oh wait, Japan.
Okay, the scariest one is the jail it, so we'll put that in scary.
Also,
It is kind of scary.
you know what I gotta do something first? Okay, there we go. Oh wait.
Here comes up Australia.
Oh,
Okay, horrifying.
horrifying, bro. That's horrifying. Alright.
Ad.
This is just an ad, guys. It's not an EAS alarm, okay? Okay.
Ooh, that is scary.
Let's put that in horrifying for now.
No, I want to put it in scary.
Ooh, okay. But there's another one coming up.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we know it.
Yeah. Iron Dome. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, yeah, same. This is the same. Okay, let's just skip to. Buh, very bad.
Oh. What do you...
Let's put it now.
Okay. Yeah, it's not that scary. Right?
Yeah, it's pretty interesting, but not scary enough. Scary.
Oh my goodness.
Nightmare! Wow, nightmare. I mean, come on, that sound. When I would be waking up, I would explode. Okay, this would be scary.
Yeah.
But the first one,
Like, oh my goodness. That is just...
imagine if you had that for your alarm.
Yeah, imagine.
Okay, I'm just gonna skip it. Okay, very bad.
Very bad. What do you say?
Bad.
Okay, yeah, bad.
Oh!
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Now this is why I wouldn't be living in Malaysia.
Oh my goodness, that is just
So weird and so. Well, it's
scary.
like Ohio.
Yeah, it's like in Ohio. Look at my cursor. This is why you shouldn't be in Malaysia, guys.
Even
If
the
you're in-
cursor is exploding to say that it's to say.
Yeah, my cursor is exploding.
Okay, I would put that in bad.
Yeah, bad. And then alert the C speaker. Yeah, alert the C speaker like.
Very bad. But it's
Yeah.
just a blue.
Bleep. Like if you're saying a bad word, yeah, that happens. Try to put it like that. Why I shouldn't be even being, yeah, that is just. Or maybe
let's put it into horrifying.
yeah, let's just put it to horrifying.
Imagine if you would wake up
And hear that.
Yeah.
Okay, that's also going in horrifying.
But no, I would put that in bad.
Okay.
It's just a less scary version of. Well,
yeah. We're not including Finland.
Okay, I'm just gonna skip Denmark.
Bro. Very bad also. Oh, it's just like
No, but it's literally a song.
Yeah.
They're singing. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, put that in the scary.
Yeah.
That one is the most scary part. Okay.
Germany?
Yeah, bad.
Bad. There's another one that goes like this. That one is you. If you know that, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And it's fake. Okay, I didn't know this one. Okay, that's scary. Okay, put that in the horrifying, kind of like
Brazil.
Okay, I would put that into there. It's loud.
Yeah, it's loud.
It gives it an advantage.
Mm.
It's just loud.
Loud.
You would hear that in your bed. You would like. Oh! What is that sound? Whoa,
Yawning. Okay. What do you think? Russia?
Bad.
Yeah, bad. The most in our tier list so far is bad.
Okay, Chile.
Wait, where did we put Brazil?
No, we put it into bad.
Oh.
Okay, Chile is pretty scary.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll skip to the next part. Whoa, Chile, calm down, Chile.
That's like slow.
Horrifying.
Horrifying, yes, horrifying.
Yeah,
That's why I really wouldn't even.
Okay, Argentina.
We aren't including Argentina, guys.
But it's like this. It's actually. It kind of sounds like of an instrument.
Yeah, and really it sounds like some kind of like motorcycle running.
Very bad.
No, we don't have Argentina.
Oh yeah, well, I forgot. I would.
Bro, like a song. Right?
Driving all the way to Nightmare.
What? Why did you do that?
But it's just so sus.
Oh, yeah, it's sus. It's so sus, guys.
Why is there so much ads?
Yeah. What's your goal?
Okay. Let's put it into very bad.
Yeah. Something like Brazil, but badder. But worse.
Well, badder is not even a word, except if you mean I stir with the batter.
Denmark is the only one that's like a song for now.
Because it is a song.
Let me just. Okay, this is good now. Ukraine?
Okay, nah.
Meh.
Lithuania. Very bad.
Well, bad is very popular in this tier list. Nothing is peaceful yet. That's surprising.
Okay, man.
Yeah, meh. Oh wait, man, bad, I'll tie it up
It's
now.
just too sus. It's just too sus.
Oh. Yeah. Bulgaria?
Old. Okay. Meh.
Meh.
Oh, it's here, the new one. Okay, scary.
Scary Met and Battle all tied up together. They're the most.
So that was it, guys. Bye and take care.
You're the creator! You're the creator! Kill it.